Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Obcezzd Designs.
I'm Princess Masong, Head Designer and Creative Director at MAS, Masong Architectural Services. I have been in the design industry for 3 years, but my family has been constructing buildings, houses, and renovating spaces for as long as I can remember. Well, I believe it runs in the blood, and this is my time. Stay with me as I share some of my project reveals, practical advices, and challenges every designer faces in this industry. I am Zess, and I'm obsessed with design.
For today's episode, we are going to North Reclamation Area, Cebu. So before anything else, I'd like to congratulate UP AUTOCARE. Today is March 3, 2021, and I just came from their opening. Sir Matthew, Sir John Mar, and the rest of the crew and the staff of UP AUTOCARE, congratulations on your opening, and thank you so much for entrusting us with the renovation. So without further ado, let's dive into the video.
UP AUTOCARE is a business established by 4 young men who are all engineering graduates of Cebu Institute of Technology University, which is also my alma mater. They already had this business plan in mind way back when they were still students in the said institution, and now they are opening their second branch. The design of the interiors is the brainchild of the beautiful and talented Marie Darzine Julia. I met her through one of our projects together, the Zero Waste Refilling Station, which I also have made a video here. Do check that out if you haven't yet. According to Marie Darzine, or Dimples as I call her, aside from aesthetics, the form of the lattice works in the ceiling is leading customers from the lobby to the lounge. From the ceiling, these lattice works extends to the wall of the lounge where a television is mounted. The black marble wall gives it the right amount of contrast it needs to pop. The lounge is meant to be an entertainment space while the customers are waiting for their cars to be fixed. Aside from entertainment, the sides of the television is armed with wood shelves in stainless steel support to serve as display area for their AutoCare products for sale. Right across the media wall are 2 large-sized sectionals where customers can lounge and feel like they are in their home theater. Now, let's see our hardworking skilled workers in action.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish you knew. That's just like you. I miss you all the time. I need you. I want you. break it, you bought it. I miss you all the time. I need you.
So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. If you love this transformation, please do comment down below. And please subscribe to this channel. We are trying to grow. And thank you all so much for your support. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!